The Sealey Forklift Drum Clamp allows drums to be picked up, relocated and released without the forklift operator needing to leave the driving position. In this video, we'll be showing you how to fit the clamp to a forklift truck, how to pick up a drum using the clamp, and how to release the drum from the clamp. To start, make sure that the forklift truck's forks are the correct distance apart to fit the drum clamp. Drive the forklift forward, ensuring the forks enter the two large slots until the forks are fully inserted into the clamp. Fully tighten the two large T-bar tightening bolts to secure the clamp in place. If driving a long distance before picking up any drums, fold back the operating jaw mechanism on the main frame of the drum clamp. If necessary, fold out the jaw mechanism. Drive the forklift slowly towards the drum to be picked up, ensuring the clamp jaws are just above the top of the drum. When the jaws are above the drum, slowly lower the forks. As the jaws are lifted by contact with the drum, they will also start to widen out around the drum. When the forks are lifted, the jaws will clamp around the drum just under the top lip. The drum can then be relocated with the forklift. Lower the drum onto the ground and continue to lower the jaws slowly. As the jaws reach the first lip around the drum, they'll begin to lift and widen. Slowly reverse the forklift truck and the drum will be released from the drum clamp. For other videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.